Nikolas Wallenda is an American acrobat, aerialist, daredevil, high-wire artist, and author. He is known for his high-wire performances without a safety net. He holds 11 Guinness World Records for various acrobatic feats and is best known as the first person to walk a tightrope stretched directly over Niagara Falls. Wallenda walked 1,800 feet on a steel cable over Masaya Volcano in Nicaragua, his longest walk, on March 4, 2020. Wallenda is a seventh-generation member of the Flying Wallenda's family, and he participated in various circus acts as a child. He made his professional tightrope walking debut at age 13, and he chose high-wire walking as his career in 1998 after joining family members in a 7-person pyramid on the wire. In 2001, he was part of the world's first 8-person high-wire pyramid. He performed with his family at various venues from 2002 to 2005, forming his own troupe in 2005. He performed with Bello Knock in 2007 and 2008 in a double version of the Wheel of Steel that he helped invent. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.